Hi, I'm Haris. I'm an engineering graduate from the UK and I'm currently interning at Royal Selangor. I chose Royal Selangor because I really respect and value the craftsmanship that's put into making computer models. The employees produce the models using hand tools, and that's something that I can appreciate. Coming into this internship, I naively thought that everything can be automated and fixed using robots and machinery. However, after seeing all the employees use hand tools and traditional craftsmanship, it really put in a different perspective compared to what I was used to, and I was quite amazed by the detail that's put in, and that can't be replaced by modern technologies. Adapting to a new life is never easy. It's had its fair share of difficulties and challenges, but also successes. I've met so many new people, made so many new connections, and made so many new friends that it's really helped me integrate well into the company, has really enriched the experience at Royal Selangor.